Exploring the Virtual Lab, an innovative learning tool. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and modern concept in education, the virtual lab. This innovative tool is reshaping how we learn and interact with various subjects, especially in science and technology. So, let's explore what a virtual lab is and why it's becoming an essential part of learning in the digital age. In this section, we'll define what a virtual lab is. A virtual lab is an interactive environment created using computer software. It simulates a real laboratory, allowing users to perform experiments and activities without the need for physical equipment or materials. This digital approach offers a safe, cost-effective, and accessible way for students and professionals to gain practical experience. Here, we'll discuss the key advantages of using virtual labs. They are particularly beneficial in providing hands-on experience in a risk-free setting. This means you can make mistakes and learn from them without any real-world consequences. They're also accessible from anywhere, making it easier for learners worldwide to access high-quality educational resources. Virtual labs aren't just for science. They can be incredibly useful in language learning as well. In this context, a virtual lab might involve interactive modules for practicing pronunciation, grammar, or vocabulary in a simulated real-world environment. This method helps in enhancing language skills in a more engaging and practical manner. In this part, we'll provide tips on making the most out of virtual labs. It's important to approach them with the same seriousness as a real lab. Set clear objectives, take notes, and don't hesitate to repeat experiments or sessions to better understand and retain the information. I hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to explore the world of virtual labs, whether for science, language learning, or any other field of study. They offer a flexible, interactive, and effective way to enhance your learning experience. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting and learning in this digital era.